One-way window films utilize a simple principle. They allow more light on one side than the other, creating a mirrored effect that safeguards your privacy during daylight hours. The technology behind these films is based on the principle of reflecting the brighter outdoor view while obscuring the darker interior.
One-way window films come in diverse varieties according to their reflectivity level and coloration. Some films sport a highly reflective silver look, while others possess a more subtle tone. The choice will depend on your aesthetic desires and privacy requirements.
The main advantage of one-way window films is the privacy they provide without sacrificing natural light, an ideal solution for homes and offices. Moreover, they shield your interior from harmful UV rays, protecting your furnishings from fading over time.
Lastly, let's highlight their cost-effectiveness. These films are an affordable alternative to bespoke privacy glasses or blinds, leading to considerable savings, especially if you need to cover multiple windows.